Hello, this is Aliya Hasan and I am a career counselor. Today I am studying in Indus University. This is a university in Karachi which is offering an affordable programs to all the students of the city, not just the city but all over Pakistan. The best thing about Indus University is that it is actually offering diversified degree programs, not just BBA or engineering, but also media studies and fashion, something which is the need of the time. The best part of Indus University is इस affordability के साथ ये आपको provide कर रहे हैं state of the art gymnasium, state of the art experimental labs, and also all the facilities which any prestigious and elite university can provide your students. Now, if you people are looking towards a very good option for your child to pursue their undergrad program with the accreditation of HAC and all the awarding regulatory bodies of Pakistan, then please do opt for Indus University.